Hey guys, what's up? Steven here with NorCal Screen Print Supply. Today we're going to talk a little bit about production and the best use of having more than one person doing production. We have a couple questions from subscribers, and also we get a question in our classes about should I have another person join me on the print press because I have more than one station. I have 4 stations on this press. The best use of an additional person screen printing with you is not on your press. First of all, your press has to be an all heads down press, which means that all of your screens can come down on all of your platens. This is a 4-station, 6-color press, so it's impossible for it to be all heads down, meaning there's 6 colors. There are not 6 stations for them to come down. So if you're trying to print right here, someone else is trying to print over there, it's not going to work out very well at all. In fact, it's going to be kind of a mess. So the best use of having another person with you is to stand at the end of your dryer where your shirts are coming out, and they do a few things. They're going to do QC, or quality control. So when the shirt's coming through, they're going to grab the shirt. They are going to look at the shirt and see if it looks how it's supposed to look. Is it crooked? Is there a pinhole in here? They are also going to give your ink a stretch, see if it's cured all the way or not. This ink is not pulling apart, it's cured nicely. They're also going to use a laser pointer to point the laser on the surface of the ink as it comes through the dryer to see if it's getting up to the required temperature as it comes through the dryer. That's how you cure your ink all the way. The best use of another person, like I said, is quality control. Also to catch the shirts as they come out of the dryer and stack them and arrange them by size and color. And when they're complete as they come out of the dryer, check them off on the work order, make sure they're accounted for, and also keep track of where you are in the print job based on your work order. And I want to show you a work order we have here. This is a work order printed out using Printavo print shop software, which you guys absolutely should check out. Printavo. They make software for screen printing shops that'll make your lives much easier. So check out Printavo, and we'll probably be doing more videos on them soon. Thanks for checking in with us and watching the video. If you have any questions, maybe you do things a little bit differently, leave us a comment in the comment section below, and we'd be happy to answer any questions and read any comments. So thanks for tuning in.